Hey guys, welcome to a game called Cat in Japan. This caught my eye for two reasons. One, Japan, and two, cats. I've heard a lot about Japan, and I've always wanted to go there, and I just adore cats. Oh, hello. A game by Bart Bonte. I feel like that cat's just gonna run into the thing. Oh, hello. Well, how you doing? It wants some sushi, I guess. Find 20 sushi. Oh, there's one. Oh, so I just find sushi for the cat? Is that what I'm doing? Oh, great, there's codes. Oh, I don't like this. Oh, wait. Wait. These probably have something to do with it. Oh! Oh! Okay. There. Oh, this one goes this way. This way. Was it that way? Yeah, and then this one. That one's fine. I got that one. Yay! That is. I can click on it. Why? Oh, I'm collecting them. That's a bit strange. Okay, so 3, 5, 1. Oh, wait. What? What is... I don't understand. The key doesn't work for that one. Ooh! Oh. What is that? Is that a... What is that? That one... Oh crap, I should really that. And then a 0, I guess? Was it that one? I think so. And was this one the other one? Oh. Oh! Do I need to be collecting these heads? Oh! You put them up here! That's kind of creepy that you can turn them, though. I guess they open this. Ha! Oh, wait. I think there's a mouse that might have one. What if I go away? Haha! I want this. This is very pretty. I need to find the key. Wait. Wasn't there... Yeah, this. I need to write this down, or else I'm gonna forget. So, left, right... Wait, left, right, left, left. Right, right, left, right. Okay. That's a lot of left and right. Okay, so left, right, left, left, right, right, left, right. Yay, it worked! What is that? What did it do? It opened that, but I don't know. Can I get that? I don't think I can. Oh. And there's a head. Was it this way? No. Wasn't there something out here? Yeah, I need to go find the actual gong thing. Oh my gosh, no. How do I'm gonna figure that out later. Oh. Oh. How did I not notice that? Ooh. How do I get that one? Oh. Oh. Oh no. I don't like this at all. I'm gonna go ahead and put this here. I need one more head. It'd be awesome if I could actually move the couch. It's this thing and then that other one. I don't know what to do. This goes with something. But I don't know what. I need a key as well. And I have to open this. It's gotta be somewhere. Where could it be? I honestly don't know. I need 5 more. I don't understand this. I saw no pattern. I feel like I have to find all the heads before I can finish that pattern. But this? I don't know. I guess it's... Wait, crap. 1... I have no idea. I need a key to open up this fish. And I think the key is in this thing. Huh. I can't find it. I need one more head. This is suspicious to me. I love watching these things move. Hit. I would be so mad if you could click that one. Guys, help me out. I don't understand this. What are these attached to? They're just like hanging out here. I can't find anything. I don't know this pattern at all. Don't know why it's here. I don't understand this. Did I do something with that? I think I did. But I don't know. There's 6 of them. There's 9 of those. Three, 6 or 7 there. 3, 6. There's 6 of those. Maybe I have to click this as many times as that. I don't know. I gotta write this down too, because I'm not gonna remember. 3, 5, 1, 2, 4, 6. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. Maybe I have to do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey, I did it! Oh, I got another head. You can... How do these... Oh, this is creepy. Now I gotta figure out what these heads mean. And how they're supposed to be. Huh. Wait, is this one it? I move 1 to the right. 2 facing each other. 1 I don't move. And then 2 face each other again. And then I honestly don't know, guys. so that one there, that there. Nope, I have no clue. Maybe it's that. I don't know what this part is, or why these heads are able to move. It's just so creepy. I'm telling you, the code for this thing is in with these heads. But what is this for? 1, 2, maybe it's, I have to do this. 1, 2, 0, 2, 1 for the heads, maybe. Get them all back facing forward. Stop having conversations with each other. Y'all don't have any mouths. Can't talk. Try to talk with no mouths. It's not possible. Okay, so 1, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 1. Did I do it? Nope. I don't know what to do. I want to hit this thing again. Or maybe the key is in here, and then the code for this thing is in the fish. I don't understand. And what is this for? This has to mean something. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 4, 6, 7. No. What do these cows mean? This is me, just in the background, while everybody else has a conversation. Guys, I really don't know. I'm gonna be here all day trying to find it. Just click everything. Wait. Yay, it's the colors of the flag. Well, my flag. Red, white, and blue. Darn, do something. I don't understand. I'm gonna be here forever. Let's see, there's 5 of them. There's 3. Yeah, I already tried this, didn't I? I think so. It was 1, 1, 2. Oh wait, 1, 2. Don't move this one. That's 2, and then 1. Nope. Or maybe it's gotta face this way. Right? No. How in the world do I do this? Also, why does this fish shake whenever I click it? What was in here? I can't remember what was in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe it's 2, 1, 2, 2, 1. I'm looking for any number possible to solve this. Get all these back to normal. Okay, so 2, 1, 2, 2, 1. Nope. How in the world? I don't understand. Somebody help me understand. I don't understand it. Can I just click this 5 times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That'd be great. Also, why does this cat have flowers in its head? Also, where is the cat? Maybe that's the point of the game. You gotta find 20 sushi to find the cat. What if I... Nope. It's not gonna do it. Alright, you know what? I'm giving up for right now. Right now. Doesn't mean I'm gonna quit and not make another video. But I'm going to end the video here. I hope you all enjoyed the game. I liked it until I started getting aggravated with the 5 sushi left and this stupid patterns. It's these things that are aggravating me. Stupid heads. Staring me down with your beady eyes. But I hope you all enjoyed watching this. I'll leave a link in the description so you all can go play it. It's called Cat in Japan. Like the setting, but this is Raven Iat signing off. Bye guys.